Mayam Krumzari adon Virbis Impact News ni ay Nongthombam Manung Hutna hariba 360-degree analysis of news and events ta mayam bata nokchari. Ano ba ILP ki bill ama sem nabigdamagta ILPS bill version 2.0 sem nabigdamagta drafting committee ama sem khre amadi thamagi manungda hariba ano ba bill asi sem balor matungda puthoklagani haibagi thajaba ki Manipur government ge site gi ngarang phangkhiba state cabinet na phongdokro matungda Hojik laiba wapam si sembadi haurani haukre habi wapam haupang asi numidawaram gi press conference amada drafting committee gi chairperson oberi ba ko gi law minister TH Devendra Masamangna Devendra Masamangna phongdo phibule kare adubo hojik ori ba socio political situation crisis amal lerisi masi mamangi ko MRVTMW bill 2015 se pothoktre matamda miyam gi lebang miyam gi ihul khangna hariba bill si pothopiram taragadi hojik budi hariba bill to withdraw taunubagi resolution lokra matungda anoba bill ama puthokpasida JCILPS ki amadi all political party committee on ILPS ki koi recommendation mayam se hapcha laga anoba lebang miyam na yaba bill ama semrani habi ki thajwa pikre atubo ha nadi madu to hopo yadabra madu torma taragadi leba ki hul khangna torma taragadi ngasi ki situation se perhaps leram daba yai habi ki matang se da khananu gi damang ngasi Impact News ki studio length sindole birbasi joining us tonight on Manung Hutna Hangang Assembly constituency ki MLA Oja and BIREN BIREN Mutanok, welcome to the show. Appreciate your joining. Also joining us, Nauria Pakang Lakpa Assembly constituency ki MLA Ibiri Oja Arkanani Oja and Busutanok, welcome to the show. Appreciate your joining too. Those are hand questions Oja and the Gilak Sarganoda, Kogi Mamangi, MRVTMW bill, Puthokring Aida, Koi same Kiba, all political parties committee on ILPS conveners Ozano Obi Kibrina, Maduda Puthoki Bakogi, resolution Maruna, recommendation Taruk. Masi mamagi bill loini yarok thaba aduga koi JCILP ki koi demand manga se madura su loini yohan bangam khidabagi awaba leikhiba adu hanakti soidana yahol ani habige thaja piramba pirakpala ise ari mamang da hap khide haujik te hap yarani hari si masi wahan thokse kari wadino mamagi MRBTMW bill da hap yaraga haujina karmai adune habe question si chaun lai why not before? Mama kari happy driven have question say Manipur myam na hang.
Side aida kanza badai dai akwegi experience as the convener of the committee constituted by all political parties meeting habitai. Aduna assigned over matung wapam dugi matung ina. Okay, the matam the yam elaborate of exercise togi, no doubt. Haibati akwegi Lady issues see Yamna deep rooted grievance ne. Manipur Sina Quiggy historical haitare Quiggy post merger and pre merger and post merger gi. Leramba Matamni social condition and the Gia Quiggy population gi sized the Gia Matumde India gi Quiggy Partamo Erkanda. Demographic balanced decadal growth saitara tragi of sudden change like you could adigi hana remember practices tagi in terms of employment the career social life the quiggy can oi bahitare culture the career period impact meam madugi oiba quiggy oijaba quiggy oiba meam sing slowly a quid dilute to you up meam See, ma'am, see this hybrid. See, ma'am, these are genuine grievance of the people of Manipur, especially when see, in a indigenous population, the Manipuris generally, Manipuris hybrid native population. See, ma'am, see for the last 40-50 years, we have discussed about this. We are from time to time discussed on Aduna Natana, see wapam sit different government periods the Habitai Congress the Paramamang Legre, then also local party na regional party na period Legre, Kiarak Hanna Habitai, Adubu, Hadak Habitai, and Maruino Quiggy labor, Quiggy governments na. See, ma'am, I'm seriously loves of Gluidana. For the first time, see assembly the debate of the assembly the one ber, Quiggy provisions Maka, the Habitai when calling attention motion lakiba the question mayam thamgiba discussion mayam thamgiba motions mayam to mayam singsa koina masi it's time we need to address this issue in the 2012 and 2013 the different resolutions house low given this government during this government only Congress government hype sida duna madugi resolutions myam sing do khoi madu khoi myam gi ni khalaga are khoi the need of the time khoi grievances myam se address over attemamo for the first time had a bold step in lawedi. I take this as a very challenging step, and come what may, we have to initiate a move, we have to initiate a step, we have to initiate a law, legislation, myam palm said rest of ocean and right rankly. And the Todona, this government, especially a opposition, like Biro, or ruling the Obusu Biro, Hadak Tauriba attempts a political parties, myam the Tamiramba Magi, okay, no Haitare observation plus the Haitare recommendations, myam sexy. These are based on the feedbacks. Madam Sang Haide Tha, Humari Changna, to sections, Manipur labor, intellectual circles, labor, jurist and labor, lawyers community, judges community, labor, Maming Chapahat, even just Chief Justice of High Courts and have Tassimam, university professors, ma'am, Ojasingi, ma'am. Adigi Maruan NGOs sing high tie line up to labor, frontal Toriba lit to be mayam sing low in all sections of the society, all walks of life, 5 time Manipur. Low in feedback peer cans the queen observation the way. Rimatuna recommendation hype tie. Say high beaver recommendation say containing about 6 points in high tie call. Masito giving. I am no high say. Sigi recommendations, Sigi. Wang Madakwe labor governments in a chat Kivdona ma'am Hivase. This is also not a correct position. Labor in the Tamjani recommendations, ma'am, para or item wise when a discussions of them Tosi. I know Tamjani had a Toguduri attempt to the laws here. It is a very complex situation. Fundamental rights the touch Storkani. Fundamental rights the any part of the constitution of India Sigi. Part 3 sigi article 12 pe horga matam fundamental rights me am freedom of speech the khande freedom of movement the khande freedom to practice profession khande any tawri me am sakse these are guaranteed as a citizen of India under article 14 see if you are a citizen within the territory of India you have equal rights and I have a defined tawri mari makha article 19 makha se den ngasi attempt tawri se swaisida Maruina, free movement, Article 19 gi, clause 1 gi, sub clause D in E habitat, free movement, we are settled, we are caught in high say. Masimi am saying Lapamatam, the Constitution, Article 19 says it that Storkadaba, either a Mukeda was a finding habitat, Mayam sing a Hanga in a people feedback, Mayam, Neneza, the Amusu. Clause 5 and a half daisima Kadadi, exception in a handler Loma. I did not trigger the eye for Draga, Ladybur, Erosida, Quiggy, Ladybur Sigi, Article 19, Haita, Mayamam restrictions, Karlagasu. Mazisai Riasida in the interest of the general public, Waitaragadi, or Natraga, tribal, civil tribe, Waitaragadancy protection, PVI, was Kursu Tabirum Bahaitai. The area of delicate linum labor. What the Constitution says under 12th Article 12 to Haigeda, legislation, the state also means the state legislature. This has power to say legislative we low civic power and period. The next session 13 Haigeda, anything touching upon fundamental rights here. Silakumatam Sida Wigan, Hype Sigi, areas the fundamental rights to Kandadi, Madhuadai, the
think someone over Kalere, Constitution Yabi, other Wahon Karama lady, other Matang the Sulak, Constitution Yadraga, the put up say Manipuri Hariba, La Kuntreka, La Kuntresa almost like Taramuti Atopa. Outsider may almost 70 to 20 lakhs Katani indigenous the Koina Pabiaris, Dudisu, Taramabuyari. Masi Constitution Yade Haiduna,
so I will say the Constitution they are blocked away. We are exhausting the provisions of Constitution. No, what I'm saying is I need to clarify my points very clearly. I'm not straight away saying the Constitution Yadi, so I hide. What I'm saying is Sunda mo right won't be so restrict away have to assume my Amsi Merksida Queen Tangur Kondang say. This is very delicate, it's a very, very complex not so easy attempt to have that. The same amsing Mark Sida, when the Toby after Torosiana with a bold attempt. We governments and Masiki bills introduced Togi, a pen the Krayaugi, although Madu Mamsing do Quay Prasagi section Mamsing Aduna, the Quay purpose side, the objectives fulfilled to be and Kalaga. And I the Quay Handoput from the drive of Waffle Mayama issues and one Quay Kankalak pipe day. So I see the Quay constitution. Legislative power had a low same given Yahweh, the Bible, my arms, so come in my arm, Pirakada. But the boldly Haitare, Yagio, a quickie can say for Essen to die the governor, the president, Essen Logan, the Rizapatam, right? Refer to Waitare. I do not about in the larger interest of the people of Manipur. We feel it, the Congress feel it, this government feel it, and also the opposition feel it. So we must withdraw it and that for initiating another bill.
Manipur state ki khuji lakhi ba tarik handak thagi hai tarik July gi tarik 35 gi step se madi Manipur gi miyam na thagali adubo hari ba July tarik 35 gi khugi withdraw to khugi gi step si perhaps tha magi mamang khitang khugi nongju gi mifam se hai tarik oja khugi June thalon da gi nongju mifam hau khiba matam se da mache khui ILP gi matang da khana biram bataraga di perhaps live situation lam da be adubo objective bold step ma khui gi government laudana withdraw to bagi we wafam laki base tarik 35 da masi karigumba tarik 9 se da July gi laibak thirba tarik 9 se da khogi Sapam Robinhood se karim doba karigumba hingamba taragati ngasi tarik 35 gi ngasi tarik 19 euro phawda hairiba MRVT MW bill se withdraw torom da basu ai praja gi aduma khongjang se hanagum dum chathadra ler basu ai kari habini ngoja matang se da ja biren akoi somaina ano bold step government Manipur government na akan step ma launa ge damakta praja ama siba ani sidraga di sunga ma yadrabta do we need to sacrifice every time sacrifice lives every time
not totally no I deny to it I koi government le ba moina koi praja singbu awaba pipa pamde praja sibo so pan nangan pamde to bodadi government is between the two stone mayam na khangbi kitab se just the government is running within the constitution framework. I Madugi constitution the wang with a satpaya mutkadram will have a pot to the thus other matamna situation for Kadaponi. But at the moment, who's a queen of honorary the Ahan Bada Quina Bilzi Pukaluridi. I queen a Bilzi Pukaleraga Patna Lagre, can ascend period do not a queen. Ascend a period of Nigana escaped on honorable to give mentality to governmentality. The government want if a bill is introduced and passed, that bill has to be implemented. Adugi wakalone. Adun ahan badai koi na masiki bill si putho buse inda go minasu akoi bulan udana ba. Haidi amna constitution to gi limit yona. Say suppose bill to the migrant migrancy union concurrent is the union list. State list adu union list la iba pot ma yauru banina gaina hapok do duni hari ba koina tawani intentionally lok thok panate yaraga di easily pass to rakanda easily ascend biraga bill werakanda maduna chanarwa matungda effective oidre amuk amend over Indian constitution se karak sure amend over se madugi wakhalon the honorable chief minister na amade council of minister and khoi CLP members mayam khana raga tawgibani taseng namadu hekta ikoina mi sirakandana atopa puthokpa sidrakandana atopa puthokpu wapam nate adubu laibak thiba haisira aikoigi ibungo dum lai gita base madu it happens from my constituency too ma se akoi yam nungaite koi even house ta koi control to bani aduna aikoina hoji lakchar pote aikoi leiriba congress government gi legislature sing aduga congress gi government da leiriba puna maksina Yelhomi Ekoigi Misi Ekoigi Zati Kananaba Yamna Sanaba Ekama Salaning Maduki build the past on a Honabada and the consensus weba Prazamayamna Heidi but Loin Hapayadaba areas we are Maduki area the Kadabo Yakrabo get the Punatana Minerkanda Hananabu don't can equine with Dotor. Yes, give Kralegre. I quiggy side take when a young tuna pastor on a bino honabada, Mayana Palm, you put to test or whatever. We have to admit, we are admitting it. Aduku Makari wouldn't matter more than we don't winning, other Fujikti. ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯈꯤꯗꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ
ꯆꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯅꯦꯜꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯕ
ꯄꯣꯠ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯎ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯅꯃꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯡ ꯇꯨꯡꯁꯨ ꯇꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ JCLPSꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯃꯉꯥꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤ MRBT ꯕꯤꯜ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯃꯉꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯄ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯗ ꯈꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ JCLPSꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯁꯨ ꯎꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯕꯥꯇꯣꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯕꯥꯇꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ JCLPSꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯦꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯇꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯇꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ JCLPSꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯚꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯁꯪꯂꯦꯟ ꯏꯕꯣꯌꯥꯏꯃ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯁꯪꯂꯦꯟꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯪꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗꯤ JCLPSꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯅꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯍꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯋꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯦꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ JCLPSꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 13ꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 4 ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 15 ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯝꯃꯒ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯗꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ JCLPSꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯉꯁꯤꯒ ꯊꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 9ꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 19ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 19 ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 9ꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯦꯝꯍꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 9ꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 9ꯁꯤꯗ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯃꯤꯐꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯇꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯌꯔꯄꯔꯁꯟ TH ꯗꯦꯕꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯗꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 15ꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ 13ꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
actually ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ JCLPꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ honorable CMꯗꯒꯤ directly signed by him ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ considering the issue very important gravity of the situation everything carefully considered and noted down ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ honorable CMꯅ directly ꯃꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ invitation ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯦ invite ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ 2 conditions ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ honorable CMꯅ तसेंगना थाहुम की मनुंग थाहुम चंगना कोई बिल से सेम सारी पास आउट हाई गिव नते कोई हाउस की लैंग्वेज ता हाउस की प्रैक्टिस ता कोई साइन डाई ना हाई हाउस की प्रोरोग तो न तब ब्लॉक तो रहा है गवर्नर को गुदम न तब द हाउस सी functional हाई तारे ऐसे नवे न कोई हाउस एनी टाइम कन्वीन तो भी आना बस स्पेशल सेशन फॉर्म याना बा और एनीथिंग हाई तारे अदु तो भी आना बे तो अदुगी एरिया तो द मसे ओपन तो थमगदी एनी टाइम सून हादे एट द अर्लिएस्ट थामो बीआई टेंशन लग बीआई हाई द सिचुएशन दि मतुंगिना दाइ द टेंशन ल तो साबगी स्पिरिट तो ने अदना आइना निंगसंग जमदा
थाम से कंजल थंबे वाने
कंजल लगा हाइबदी साइने दाइ थमगदी एनी टाइम अखोइना तौबी हायना अदोगी पिरिटुन पिजेबवान प्रोडक्ट तौदबनी अदो सि प्रोडक्ट तौबगा सिदा साइने दाइ सि साइज किदंग इंटरप्रिटेशन से किदंग थैदोक थैजिन क तौना पुंदोक तौनगिबा एरिया am su yaugi bidong tawi ana ona tainana CM harsi in 3 months time haina within 3 months I say in 3 months time interpretation se si khar lan chaki bidong tawi within means it may be a week, it may be a 2 weeks, it may be even 3 weeks, a month. See interpretation city. I am the spice the kitang mangi don't to why sig.
That was a 3 weeks, not 1 week. Cry the holding.
No, I know. You know, coming to that. I don't. I am highly Jesse. I'll be the hierarchy. There are 2 conditions. One is shortened the view of 15 days, and that should be assembly na. Assembly is secretary talk of the hierarchy. See, technical the legal ki room am si pro house ki proceeding me am nahi hariba. Right, technical kitang block hai tare. Right, labor hui number 1 da. There koi me am kane koi khanaw ka da numit trauma is the totari can we really rush siumba yam maru se we rose to re yam somapung phaning masi once when the governor pi kana madu here and there matam low higadra low redra to tong nei duk sorpudi kidan hena thoroughly present horaga soidram to sai wi philips de ne koina all political parties ki hanasu sida work to be have dai makoi advice sik to sai na all political parties biding korga moina recommendation to man hai tare why 3 months and lana no give curse later do 3 months to see practical wina koina mayam sigi yenga thamba manu di oitopia na khala ka mo recommend to biramani and we also agreed to it madugi manung sida koi moina paper condition ani hai tai amana kogi laigidaba koi cha hai tai robin laigidaba matang sida legal UABA appropriate legal actions local you high. These two conditions were posed before the government for a condition for talk. When offer talk you get to give. I don't see somehow masigi matang sida koi high direct mayam mood mayam labor quickie sing a quickie involvement in this issue, importance of the issue, Jesse I'll be in Tamiva, moments issue. I'm also not outsiders. Our candidacy, Maru BIREN, we are a representative of the people of Manipur, in the best interest of the people of Manipur. Because in his Magi Tung, the Soy Tung is chili be say a quick e in a habit in them. Sigi, Wakal said quick and see Mangdi. Oh no, Sigo Mam Sanjay consider Yanabi have a meeting point about a queen, so true a quick and high tariff fillers hydra quizu see matam kirasi and be copy of Sahani. I'm saying Hargadi, a day judicial demands of President Supami, the Mogi GC Sinasupami, atop of the judicial inquiry is the best form of inquiry.
Judicial inquiry?
See two things there. I see a quay. CLP 2 days sitting, continuous sitting of the CLP, Congress Legislature Party, on the line recommended by the all political parties. Madura came the decision lobby you, logo the have weapons of agree to organs the 2 agreements, Haidare, Maru, Bakwiki, see Wapam Sida, a quay, Tamanum Sida, a quick Labor Committee constitute original within this 1 month. I queen a Sigi Bill C House introduced on the Bible, what if the Su captain. Then the second thing is a quick judicial inquiry to Torsena. No, a quick JCLP, Miami, Honina, Makois difficulties, Miami, Hariba. I don't know quick government get on top of what do people want? What does JCLP wants? I say, see, Wapam, I'm saying, couldn't an government is a presagini. We need to address the grievance of the people. See, Kalakan, they're major decisions.
Okay, major decision. Any Hujiku and the other home super decision Masulari Hojek, Manipur school singers, Matam Katana Lola Lady, Masida Kamkana Hangaduripa, Myro Haradi, Hojek Haki Mada, Makalaga, Chepirami, Hangba Yakiro Hedana. Situation is very dicey, break Matunda, performing a Sikana Jaki of Tonjaki, back news make
Manung Tegichari Marumarang Yabachin Jackson Siang. Masin Akchangi Pangalam the liver Swan Batanatana. Book Nava, acidity chap at Tumdabana Chimbaki Anarkia.
Imana Pirak Pakanga Pukna Vidak Lady City, Lipset, Namanaba Singanutiri Party, Sanga Chadrabadi, Sukama Gatabra, Adum the Kang Dramale, Masina Puknava Timbagi, Awabatu Hanbaya.
Lipsam Tigichabana, acidity chabatum daba, Kong Habayataba Pali, Adu Chaksulamale.
Liverpool Farabadi, Punsis Superhit Oiri.
Welcome back. I don't know Manung Hutna a 360-degree analysis of news and events with me, Nongthombam. Manung Hutna tanga sikhana jarmi basi drafting committee amasem dona ILPS version 2.0 same lagni happy ki thaja nungai ba wapam phongtok play re adubo wapam mayam se phongtok patar ga thama gi man within 1 month masi phongtok lagni happy ki thaja ba bi ba tar ga su Manipur gi miyam da maru ne jesi ILPS ki luchingba sing the members sing the thaja ba trust ki deficit amadi adumak leri why government is not able to bring the people of Manipur under its confidence the propaganda dribse karigino koi trust ki deficit ahoba ma thaja bagi ahoba ma lerisi karigino koi sanjay ne hagi case to Manipur ga me se thobra mamang da Manipur ga me na paikhat khipa thong thorom mayam sing do ururaga handak su Manipur gi miyam na Manipur gi government se da thaja ba leiter ba habi question is straight and open ogi ojane mutang jage to start with oja birendla lak oja trust deficit se yam chauna lere masi karamna address to begin can be address to bungam can be out of proportion adi merik pidi ki majau bi thoe kari khan bi oja
trust deficit lay re akhoi khangi adu masigi porakada men gada badi akhoi soi gi basi soi gre haibanga ma ba adagi soi gi badu forgive to banga ma ba then only aduna akhoi gi side gi akhoi government bring withdraw tawrise mayam mi hauron gi mi kangada ba yellow mi kangada ba bill ma akhoi na one pass ro matung da people's mayam na pamdre na hairak padagi akhoi na withdraw tawrise itself shows that government na praja gi damakta lokto madu yaroi anu wasilu haibdu yarabani haibase sida point to male then now the hujikti bol se kanada lere people's government
the people the ball is
no government
government
gi just what we done government gi di yangbio bill withdraw tore
okay
just bill hack withdraw to no mitagi we invited honorable chief minister masamang na makutna soitaro ge irkan da CILP gi sinau sing lapio wari sa se akhoi noina soi have pot lok thoe kari kari to sige
oja tu baton lakri habi
na baton already pi baton already madugi pi the coffee le adugi matung na moina mo hale koi hai point khar si to bio tawdra ga de khoi lawe yes point sig gap chini aduna hoji akhoi na lakse loina hai do posu ya da maram di kaino da manung mapan chen na poni manung mapan but akhoi gi intention JCILP की intention अखोई की intention नहीं कहीं नो peoples की अखोई की mirror से की फनन बताओ बुदुने अखोई की जाति से की फनन बताओ बुदुने अब ना इन्हें लक्ष्य दी अखोई के site की दी अखोई judicial inquiry आई मरों आने ना है कि judicial inquiry से highest अखोई की सुकुम्बर थोक थोक मॉब पम्बर करी कुम्बदा पांग तंग दे last 2-3 years यंग बियो पांग तंग दे अदु वो gravity of the situation अदु का अंगांग दुन लगी था स्कूल की छात्र इसा को मुन लगी तो पेन दे ना प्रजा की डिमांड नत्र गवर्नमेंट की खुशी याउन पेन देना जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी कनो इनिशिएट तौरिन हाइजरी देन खुशी अखोई की अमना अखोइना ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी से हाना ऑलरेडी अखोई ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ना द डे दु दगी माना इनविटेशन पीबन निमित टु की इवनिंग दगी जर्नलिस्ट मयाम से इवन अखोई की चीफ एडिटर सिंह एडिटर गिल्स की दगी अखोई की lawyer sing academician mayam mathang mathang karo kana series nine unaraga madudagi collect tori mana tawramba draft mayam ma ngarang hek drafting committee sembaga nahan aikoina tawramba aina nahan gai tawrei report mayam du sel leire si gai noina tawba kana sen na yani na ma aikoi da su sinare haiba thabak lepti government si ki thabak lepti haijariba aikoi ki sincerity aikoina leigiba gap khara aikoina kano khara akoi haibedi constitution yang kirubagi nate but we haven't bind it masai habi gi bodo nungani gi marak ta pot ma praja gi su tongning ba kari gi tongning ngoi doino ai khoi su praja ne ai khoi su akoina ai khoi gi saktam singa aga thamling ba population se khoi gi yam yam de ba india gi vast india gi leiri ba masi gi population gi yengo kanda ai khoi manipur da leiri ba ai khoi ji yam micro da ne 0.5005 kumba da le ado hai ba posi gi self protect tawjina ba identity kanjana ba gi taw bai se akhoi gi pot ne ba
ado oja hoi ki husik lebi ba government sina 2012 ta su 2013 da su hanagi bengal eastern frontier provision koi gi act 1873 से extend Manipur to Torna bagi anirak house na resolve tawre aur matung da handak su MRVT MW bill Manipur regulation of visitors tenan and migrant workers bill 2015 puthwe adubo haujik July ge taik tra ma da withdraw tawri se masi withdraw tawri si natraga han anira resolve tawr matung da MRVT MW bill puthui se da Manipur gi 2012-13 hai si yam kuiraba matam yu wapam ni adu mamang da khongjang chesal putgi 12-13 da resolve tawri bani adu ga hojik chahi ahung gi matung da 2015 da MRVT MW bill mas ki taikta to putopani adu putopong matam da Manipur miyam si yam na ari hai ko gi even including government gi mipung khodi mangna member khodi mangna representative khodi mangna hari ba indigenous yellow mi sing se kan ba pa mi hai ba target di MRVT MW bill si da akoi constitutional so gani hai ba gi akiba amanara innovation amanara hari ba JCILP na pami ba Manipur miyam na pami ba point miyam se address tawngam gi tricha adu bo hojikti withdraw tawri hai to na bold step amaga men tawri hai ba claim tawri adu bo bold step se Sapam Robinhood at the cost of Sapam Robinhood
not let me clarify it how's the anirak akhoi gi Bengal frontier ek British matam gi we should be very clear British matam gi Naga hills leading gi Lusai hills leading gi मधुगी एक्ट नहीं तौरमिस मतम तो मणिपुरी प्रिंसली किंगडम नहीं madudai da madugi act na Manipur cover tawde but only the things 1949 da emerged or matunga ekhoi gisu as a independent princely kingdom oina koi sule jerami adubu India da merged or mina koi Hari Singh Himat Singh
Chief Commissioner
Chief Commissioner Himat Singh mana kakthal lama kana man merged out ramina dilute tawre we have been converted in Indian adu boy ramina huziki Bengal frontier gi leiriba adu gi ek to akoi apply to we are adu boy khuni try to remember in the best interest of the public yaragadi hairiba Arunachal da sanariba Nagaland da sanariba Mizoram da sanariba ek se ma inner line permit harise simak si sanaba yaradi na koi assembly da pass obune yadrabanina Constitution na yada na halamin ayaba ma kari puthok sige na tawbudu ne ba ngasagi MRTB la
adu ayaba ma taw bhaise mamangi chahi da su koi assembly gi befum tong matam da mahiru singi jese alpis ki achauba koi gi agitation la kan da public curfew ga thamjala kan da sigi step se lau hi bani no handa ki chahi gi ningtham mi pham da ano koi gi special session haptana bill se introduce toraga pass ho
I think
adi hadi government se kaw thobu gi hadi
government kaw thobu ba di hiding de kai this government halaga leramina akoi jo activities full of government sigi se ai no mamang haide tam regional party na pai gre hanjan na pai gre ama tawre nobody did it seriously
government is the born step ani na thari ne
this government has really attempted
ani na tharo re
and the size da ina hiding is here
okay sir
the technicalities hai tai mamang is akoi gi chenau sin hai the law sigi chap chap legal position hai gadra sigi interpretation khang di masigi practice khang di sigi implementation khang je kitan clear picture se akoi kitan thinari ngai da sigi urgency di feel toroga akoi gi kenu se akoi Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulations se 1873 se implement to hedra yam kan changjal yu khongjam yawe ba swai si de so akoi su mayam na hairam ni na si chungudra ina
pass orurim
yam na thoroughly about the discussion tawri matam do ata mayam na public na hairam ni na let's move resolution in the house aina resolution move tore
ani rak ni ne
madagi no the second time also will come tawra matung sida hujiki haiba in the line permit under that regulations here extend to view comply to view ina akoi na haiba ado akoi the chanaga the resolution law then should be also complied by the central government ina sigi bol se moi the sakyu ka de you have no jurisdiction to claim to be implemented and high question yam chang lak re ba ado this something is wrong ida we need to initiate another bill that very bill second time though I was the mover matam da koi na basigi keno se resolution am lak pian me do short duration discussion and tawgi taw matam se thoroughly it was discussed both opposition and ruling so I da matu in hype tai matam da ni that's when we took a step asagi similar law ma asagi koi Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 sigi spirit ta ama Langna was sick to be again, the Maduma Circuit, a book sick away, this time we urged. According directly by the comply to Heavy Adam. We can't dictate the central government to implement a law, something like that. Aduki can late in but at the same time, under the Constitution of India, under Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause 2, I mean, ABC, DNE, and also Subclause 5. Attempt seriously to be able to see an easy restriction. Then we took another decision, house decision. And it has taken some time. One time because Sigi Tabaki Tono, for instance, Hadaki, can see Tono Honda bill, the controversial bill, high time as a way, cannot already. See, but the Tono Honda, the vetting, Tono, the constitutional expert, there's so many legal limits. Discuss Toby up Torka City, Yagadra, and Kalorga. Kitan government of India, swipe tie, Kitan Muin, appointed tongues, the steps say. Though it is touching upon a very sensitive provisions of this constitution, the enshrined under this Article 19 Part 3 of the Constitution, fundamental rights. Yana Moses Kitan Tedo Tajan Torga Torukans the SCD shortcomings her later. Presanasi Pami Ogre, they are quite more to Sumasikitan, quite the satisfaction. I when similarly Yarna Wakalsi, Governor is reserved Torga Man Handoraga. Presently, Maggie Torkumatang is a question satisfied with the
okay, Manipur government Masama satisfied with the public with the Bill Manunda Kari Yori Hypes swinging the Bill Maming Sitan Tam of the Manipur Regulation of Visitors, Tenants, and Migrant Workers Bill. where is the indigenous people have a question am hadi bill je parring ai the maming se title da hadi haina wafam le do not buy a book buy its cover have wafam delay adubo akoi handa ki cover ki title se ubu matam da masade indigenous ki wafam yaudre have se
no come say pajra ke ba please notice I mean let's go between the lines in a very restrictions akoi committee said the state government may enact a law to regulate the entry of visitors in Highway. That very recommendations are quite low on the visitors like him. Indigenous hieroglyph say, can this term be safely constitutionally used? We are debate like that. Again, native harka and native ki chakitari. What about the recent origin life? I am saying combined defined only. Siyo may am lakre. My side is a thare non-Manipuris or native or migrants in a migrant area. So kind item 81 ki union list ki seven schedule hai tare makada center ki kanoni state ki have mayam muslere see me am si ko bhi kada I think we named this on a suggestion recommendation made by all political parties and experts see koi on our own government puto to given nati say I just need to reassert it kai no da I was a convener
yam honestly koi oza se representative ngatane to representative oidinga da ahan makta koi Manipur ki micham oza sai su ta phi kra koi indigenous ngatane na Manipuri masa ngatane
no that's a term used
hari bill se oza ani mang yabi bra
karma bill da
koi MRV TMW bill se
hari ki sia I think I have some
honestly not as a
we felt that was a said person we felt that was a said person CM so high if there's any lacking award to me deficit sing say hujiki bill sima urgency su lai re select committee thada it may even take 6 months it may even lengthen the period adugi keno se area se koi Prajana, quit land logan, let's pass the bill and such.
Let's pass the bill to Matas, Matam,
question. Hujiki is in a koi yanning brise. I queen a yanning, not a queen of palm, and Toning Brato, we but Tamoy. No, Tamoy, the dear koi swam the port of lady, hide binding of concepts. A quick constitution, Siki, one mother. Hujing Maxi, I could talk to Nam there. Carigino, I've got
Manipur has a quick constitution and Durabra, a quite serious. Yara have
no constitution. No, actually, it's the constitutional amendment. I think we need to approach that angle.
Adu, the amendment is in public. How do you have to approach the parliament? Parliament
will have to go to the parliament for parliament. Compulsory what you call it strength. See, very unfortunately, politically, it was merged as a party state. Then it became slowly and gradually, it became a territorial council, then the union territory, and the statehood was attained in
we took 30 years to convert to
the statehood. Taken? Politically, how the central government, the mainstream Indian politicians look upon us. I say, we all know it. We have been time and again discriminated. We have been fighting for this right. And today we continue to fight for this right.
I'm looking at Hojik Lady crisis, three aspects. Mike Homni, Maketa Bill, Masamang Lejera, and so Maketa Sapam Robinhood. Was it almost
that's very critical question.
Practice not practice Satavata Sorat can I never sit up and talk. How do you how the Kuya have sang the election Belatribani? Yamna JC ki sutuan pamugi demand demand number 1 da kogi judicial inquiry ningthire to biam inquiry hono ki tamakta decision lokre state cabinet na adubo matang sai ina putoni wapam mana koi porampar police station na Robinhood se kogi protester am demo yamna democratic oiba protest amada saru yaruba nupa macha amabu kogi criminal ne haina brand tawbse adu thar di numitu da protest to hiba satra mayam mioi khudima se criminal orga tabra haibi wapam chaung lai kari happening oja Karam judicial inquiry to Dragasu Tawubudi Matari, Yamna Mayaglan or Wapam Karayauri. Porumpa police station, how come they file an FIR mentioning Robinhood as a criminal?
No, I don't think so because subject to confirmation.
JC is asking. JC of
Robinhood, she gives us my constitution. Deeply shocked, Maduki, my Mungno, who power the Chanabi Matuna, Nasak Sabayadri, Sampucharagali, Isadu, Pris Manungali. That's barely shocked. Maduki the Mutane Quina, question challenge, and I see Matarani is a question generation. Madam Dika, the Mew with the talked about Portament, Hoi the Portament is Horat, your whole Masalo, and Adubo, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯨꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯨꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯁꯤ JSCꯒ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ JCILPꯒ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ JSCꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟ ꯍꯨꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯂꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯦꯒꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯏꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ CLPꯗ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ FIR ꯀꯣꯄꯤꯒꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯗꯒꯤ FIR ꯀꯣꯄꯤ ꯄꯣꯔꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟ ꯍꯨꯗꯇ criminal pan benate Robin Hood criminal supan pande laiba mob amakak sumaina lai already mob amakak lai na madu ki case am chum de sa to ni not mentioning the names Robin Hood ming pande anam ta ki ming pande adubu ai khoina hai kre Robin Hood na case am file toy Robin Hood ki family na FIR ma sibagi matung ina adu tawna madu khoi ngarang mak chief minister da home minister da mana tharaiba family na disease ki family na tharaiba poto madu entertain tawgadabani do case ama FIR tawgadabani accordingly judicial inquiry silai aduna judicial inquiry habasi kanona su khagi mayam na su na khangbi re nobody no one politically or anything influence over yaroi game to where aduna ni government na we are going to give justice to the Robin Hood and his family
okay very clear ngasi ki kana ne thorom se loisal point final question last question open to both of you oza ani matang jage oza anandi halak charge hojik what next hojik makha dana kari manipur gi miyam na expect to bayai kari government gi side gi immediately torani habi hadi next forward se kari lebi
we have already prepared a road map and that has been placed before the people of Manipur miyam khuding makta government sincerely sincere wajana khoi thabuk to hore si hourly basis day basis yam kono hono jari hai bitai rayam Manipur miyam ngasi demand to streets to by JCLP na toriba rigi tai tongan tongan individuals organizations miyam ma JCLP makha de chali miyam singsin pamisi lu system to same bani na lu same no honor pus matam sida we need to maintain certain degree of peace orderly economic changbrai kale rai huji huji koi maroina isan pa hai laibak thin lagi Robin Hood ma gi mathom pangthok no honam JCLP na I think they must cooperate had extend cooperation preview have se koi hanjan na hairi anytime soon hai tai koi government ne moi unabagi si materialize to gi wapam si lakadrai na in thaje so in lakanen kali because we see another day we are not foreigners they are not foreigners my right his right everyone's right house rights assembly's right everyone is fighting for it and I don't have areas that trust us since we have elected us for 5 years term trust you whatever possible under the law under the constitution we are trying our best to do it accommodate here and there difficult areas we have already started exercising demands line by line close by close between the lines we have started examining it areas difficulties understanding guys we are going to talk it out but unless they come volunteer to how we are going to communicate
okay cooperation
it's a must
government da thajaba thambasu mathuk tai na takpi edu thajaba thamubaga thamuraga thajaba se mamangum namuk mapung phan director gadi address to director gi habagi question edu government gi side gi address to gri habagi perspective hai
trying to no really
government is perspective public is perspective ai manakta badagi lens manakta badagi hujik live situation edu oja bin da su lakse gi oja hujik school su yam hedi Sapam Robinhood hek like tu metagi hujik school se loi lo lag lai bani school hang na the private school gi koi recognized private school gi welfare association ka hang asi haidana date ka se postpone to nam dai mo hang mangam lai re tu ka student union me amna su hang ba yaro habagi pressure se jam kana lai maru ina JCLPS am JC gi yes haiba wapam se lak tringai di koi school hang ba ya hero habagi wapam lai adu bo school hang daga di koi tungi yumri me am su solo tuini so finally ozana di step se brick by brick point by point paikat pa hore public ki support khara mathok da takpiri adu school thuna hanam ki damakta inquiry thuna sathanu ki damakta kari kari step lakhor pi yabagi hoji pawgi local step sing si yamna slow process khodi fast track court ka pame haina re to khoi hujik lai ri process da di yamna slow khoi gi thengu na sapai mom dalore last of the thengu na win to wi ga na wapam dali adu win to ngai abda Manipur se mai cha pra tum garda hai wapam lai
kano ne fast track court ka chop mana na koi function tori the government na taurise Manipur praja mayam na ngasigi faminari basigi abi kudong sabalor ga koina haning basi we always for the peoples maram de koi si praja na thagat re koi mihut oide praja na vote pi de koi ka de de sarkar semba yaw de sarkar semba yaw de sarkar
no government
I koi praja bo hena respect ogi miyam bo hena kai kham nai but the things tawaya thuna tawaya ba yada ba pot khara adu ka ki thenje bane now we are very practical I koi ngarang na handagi ngasi banga tara ni se to bi re step si one by one yeng bio tak rural committee se me sitting tawre koi page by page between the line koi tawba hore yes I koi ki concern government amagi I koi elected member amagi praja gi mi do gi koi concern se migi lanthum mangakpa mapunsi mangakpa then academic koi institutions in the disaptor opposite seriously concerned I koi madu koi kaino da cabinet meeting da koi CRP meeting da am seriously khanai but unfortunately I koi JCILP ga I koi ga settlement ma lakti bhogdi ngai se ngarang na hanmak su school hangna na ko decision long chen taw the school hang ba chin nam phu da sadra ji phar ga lai tam dia apon ta police kill laga mayum de pikhalo to budi adamina conducive atmosphere ma we have to create force aduna I koi no ji hona jari si best level da I koi ji JCILP am di miyam gi pam yu poche miyam pam si practically amro ana na ga u budunya bill the pass of u budunya
thabo ko non thoro
ye thabo ko non thoro aduna koi practically koi step se kan ngasagi drafting committee se me samtok samdin tawa hore adagi akoi mi ibungo isan pa lai gibdab dugi
inquiry
thoe adagi akoi just tha hum adu ada hairo me no shortest period tha haijabai wani akoi shortest period se akoi sum thaja badang asigi samtok samdin draft sida hana loina skeleton leiramni na akoi just within 5-6 days akoi suppose preparation bagi loi bagi then akoi we have to send it to the governor I bill do not about betting to win assembly the assembly the putona bagi am changina sigi post krai the thur kadagi har kadi we earnestly appeal to the JCIPL gi mihut sing ga ekhoi ga government ga
dialogue
wari si amutang kitang thuna saba yana base praja miyam na madugi atmosphere am to pibio madugi create am to bu haibusine koina ngasigi mfam sigi khudong sabalor ga bot ANAND
kita realistic way na situation je handle to
jam practically sangjil lai base
realistic
thanks to you have any
okay yang practically ga mena sangsa lai ba koi step sa public na su JCILP na su base support to view support to tar gadi dialogue am lai ba tar gadi athu matam da hai ba apa ma mayam se hena thuzelaga matu actions da thabak to pung bagi wapam lakan have ni adubu ozani su tak piri koi public ki mihut ni hai bani na public ka tamata tawani ko isa mag Manipur gi mini hairani ado ko isa se public ki mihuni public ka tamata tawudri hairna aduma khalli hairna ozan ta pire to public ki wakanda di music asina public ka tamata karim ta khanbi drabra vote ka matung da kaw khrabra election gi matam ta public ki forum da la kan da koi public ka tamata leiri bani haina haibra habi wafam aduma leiri adubo handakti thabak na utkani habagi mama na sur ki badare handak sur urki gani habagi wafam di aduma ponduk leiri public ki support is must right now on the note ngasi ulti manu hungi thormasi matang sa lu sinjar ge ngasi gi thormasi da ozana namadi oza biren lengre to na thormasi bu mapung phan vidam to ozani u thaga pontu seri appreciate you join
thank you very much
masini ngasi gi manu hungi thorm ngasi gi edition se karam to bi page khoi ta khan bir pu agane koi email id impacttvnews@gmail.com natra koi Facebook page www.facebook.com/impacttvmanipur da join to biraga comment amadi feedback thabir pu agane with that this is Nongthombam signing out see you same time next time at prime time have a good